Actually, maybe cycling the length of Skye, that might be worse. Yeah, the clammy kill run. For a while it was a Gurkha soldier, one of these really tough wee Nepalese guys. British Army used to use them. It was a Gurkha soldier used to hold the record. Until Finlay Wild came along. I said do a wee bit of chat about the salmon farming as well. So again, salmon farming is big business. There aren't any salmon pens in this loch, but we'll see some further round. So as you're probably all aware, in the wild, salmon spawn in fresh water. They go